Hey there everybody, welcome to This Better Home, a channel on do-it-yourself home projects, and I also do a lot of home product reviews. The idea is to save you a lot of time and money making your place and space, well, better. So click that subscribe button if you want more cool videos. In this video, and by the way, it starts now, we're going to be taking a look at how you can install a rain barrel if you're looking for self-irrigation or conserving water, and you have a deck and you want to put it underneath your deck. So I realize this video might not apply to a lot of you, but maybe it does. Here we go. So see that downward spout, that water spout there? I'm basically going to be tapping into that and installing this plastic water barrel. I'll put a link in the description below for one similar if you are interested. But basically you're going to find your downspout, and here's mine. It goes right down through the deck. Let's take a look at underneath there. And originally it dropped all the way down to the ground just like that and came out over that mulch. So what I did was I simply disconnected it. It came in sections, so I just kind of unscrewed it here and took out a section of the downspout. And then I raised this piece up a little bit, obviously still at an angle, and then I took a little tent stake and bent it and drilled it into there so that the downspout does not actually touch or fall. So it's securely hanging, so to speak. And there it is, the water barrel installed, ready to rock. So pretty simple idea, and hopefully this has helped you inspire you to do something similar. Thanks for joining me.